What's up, LNC Fam? Welcome back to another video. I got myself a new project, 2016 Porsche Turbo. Gonna be doing something exciting with this car. I already did this once long time ago, but we're gonna do it again. We're gonna be doing a GT2RS conversion on this beautiful Porsche. So let's do a quick walk around and I'll show you exactly what we're gonna do. Let's start with the front end. Front end, we're gonna be replacing the front bumper with the carbon fiber lip. We're gonna be replacing both fenders, same thing with the vent and carbon fiber. And then for the final, we're gonna be replacing the rear bumper and installing big wing. So let's pull the car inside, start taking everything apart, and start test fitting the GT2RS body kit. Super excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and now let's get to work. Got the Porsche on quick jacks, so now we can start working, and we're gonna start taking the front end apart first. Gotta remove the bumper, both fenders, and then we'll start working on the back end. But yeah, first things first, gotta open the frunk. Once again, gotta remove all those cover pieces to get to the bolts. First we're gonna remove the bumper and then the fenders. We got two packages just arrived. Those are the Porsche bumpers. Let's open up and see exactly what we got. Just unpackaged everything and everything looks pretty good. Overall, pretty good quality for aftermarket. Let's check it out. Oh, look at this. Lots of carbon. I like that this is carbon, this is carbon. And same in the back. Oh, the lower section is carbon. And then same with the fenders. And the vents are carbon. And overall, very nice carbon. Looks very clean. Okay, sweet. I'm excited to start doing a GT2 conversion. This is gonna be my second one. And now we could start test fitting the GT2 style fenders. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Everything's stripped down. So we'll test fit the front end and then we'll move on to the back. So here is the new GT2RS style fenders. So we'll see how they fit. We'll start test fitting this one and then the driver's side. So let's see how it goes. And then for the final, we'll install the bumper and see how that fits. Next, we're gonna move on to the back end and do the same thing, test fit everything. Once everything is fitted, then we'll start messing around with headlights, tail lights, and all that fun stuff. So right now I gotta remove the rear deck lid, wing, and rear bumper. So we'll test fit everything, see how everything lines up, and we'll go from there. Put the front end together, everything looks good. Everything lines up pretty good for the most part. Just gotta play around and secure everything, but this is just a rough test fit. So next we're gonna move on to the back end and do the same thing, test fit everything. Once everything is fitted, then we'll start messing around with headlights, tail lights, and all that fun stuff. So right now I gotta remove the rear deck lid, wing, and rear bumper, and we'll start test fitting the new one. The new one is over here. That's the new GT2 style wing deck lid gonna be, and then big wing. And I got a bumper over there somewhere. So we'll test fit everything, see how everything lines up, and we'll go from there. Just took the back end apart, so now we could test fit the upper deck lid. Already transferred the lock. So we're gonna test fit, see how it fits, and then we'll grab the bumper and install the bumper. Man, I'm excited to see how this is gonna look. Just put the front end completely together, so pretty much done with test fitting. Just gotta do minor body work and then we're ready for primer and paint. But let's check it out. Boom, look at this mean looking machine. Wow, came out beautiful. Same thing, we're finished with the back end. Everything is test fitted and good to go. Check out this mean looking machine. Wow, looks amazing. That's it. Now we could take everything apart, do the body work real quick, and send it to the paint department. And we get to see the final results when everything is painted. Gonna look very, very nice. So I'm back in the Porsche, everything got painted, so now we could start putting everything back together. We're gonna start off with the rear bumper, that's the easiest. Install the rear diffuser, bumper somewhere over there, and then we'll start installing and securing. Just put the bumper together, install the rear camera, the lights. So now we're ready to start installing it back on the car. Man, this guy looks super aggressive. Put the back end completely together and man, it looks amazing. Looks like a GT2RS. Check this bad boy out. Wow. What a transformation. I love it. Okay, now we could flip the car around and start working on the front end. So I got 2 fenders over there and a bumper. So right now I'm gonna start putting the bumper together. Had to epoxy those side vents, carbon fiber. So we're gonna let this dry. And for now, we're gonna start putting this bumper together. Put the front bumper together, so next we could start installing the fenders, and then for the front bumper. We'll start with the driver's side. Put the front bumper together, and man, look how nice it came out. Then I put those canards on the side. So lots of carbon on this bumper. So now let's install it and see how it looks on the car. That's it, everything is together and ready to go. Let's pull the car outside and we'll take some better pictures. We're officially finished and it looks amazing. Porsche is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, looks like a GT2RS. So let's take a look. So this is the final look. We got a GT2RS front bumper. We installed all the air ducts. All the lights are functional. Fenders are looking good. It looks super aggressive like this. Lots of carbon, and this blue color looks amazing. Then we got the GT2RS style wing, and obviously a rear bumper. So we're officially done with this build. Customer's on his way to come pick up his beautiful car, ready for the weekend. So once again, big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания! Another happy customer. That's what we like to